Let's be honest. Virtual training used to mean like somebody sharing slides over Zoom while everybody pretends their Wi-Fi is frozen. But those days are over. Today, virtual instructor-led training, or vILT, is one of the most powerful tools in the L&D, especially post-pandemic. When done right, it delivers reach, interactivity, and engagement that rivals person sessions, or ILT. So let's break down what makes vILT work and how you can design a digital classroom that people actually want to join. According to the Association for Talent Development, virtual training or virtual instructor-led training, or vILT, is synchronous learning delivered in real time through platforms such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams or WebEx, allowing live interaction, discussions, and collaboration. It's still instructor-led, but the medium changes everything. So let's explore how the three key design areas, like the room, the presentation, or the technology, translate into the virtual space. Of course, in virtual learning, the room isn't physical, it's digital architecture. So Harvard's Division of Continuous Education and Research, GATE, shows that learners engage more deeply when virtual classrooms are intentionally designed with visual structure, psychological safety, and opportunity for micro interaction. So the best practices here for you: structure the screen. Use branded or consistent virtual background and hide clutter. Breakout rooms equals your cluster. Small group collaboration replaces table setups. Use visual anchors. Share microboards or polls or whiteboards to simulate physical workspace. Build a psychological presence. Open cameras where possible. Start with check-ins and assign digital roles, like timekeeper, note-taker, presenter, and so on. Bob Pike's principle still applies here. The environment either reinforces or sabotages your training. In this case, your digital environment is your new room. In virtual sessions, your visuals need to work twice as hard to hold attention. According to Mayer's multimedia learning theory and Harvard Business Publishing's corporate learning report, in virtual environments, cognitive load is higher. Visuals, sound, and interactions must be segmented, simple, and well-placed. So the best practices for a good vILT presentation would be the design: chunk content into 5 to 7 minute segments. Alternate between talk, show, and do. Incorporate interactive activities every 10 minutes. Polls, chat, storms, mini quizzes. Design multimodally. Visuals like slides, live drawing for spatial learners. Verbal, stories for linguistic learners. Breakout discussions for interpersonal learners. Reflective journaling for chat for intrapersonal learners. Some examples here would be replacing the pair share with breakout pair reflection, replacing the actual whiteboard with a digital one. According to CIPD's 2023's learning report, vILT success depends on keeping learners active, not just passive, through design, not just delivery. So remember, your tech is your training assistant, but as Harvard Teaching Innovation Lab says, technology should amplify engagement, not just replace humans. One of those other elements as well is, yes, good lighting. Good lighting setup, mic, and camera angle still matters because presence on camera is the new body language. So, tips and tricks for an engaging vILT. First, open strong. Use an icebreaker or an emoji poll to energize the digital room. Change the tempo every 8 to 10 minutes. Activities, reflections, or interactions. Design for energy, not for endurance. 60 to 90 minutes max per session. If possible, use co-facilitators. One leads and one manages the engagement. End with a connection, a reflection board, or a commitment poll instead of a just simple goodbye. So the virtual classroom isn't a downgrade, it's an evolution. It gives you scalability, flexibility, and accessibility like never before, but only when it's designed with purpose. So, next time you go live on Zoom or Teams, just remember that you're not hosting a meeting. You are leading a digital learning experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.